Hey, cool cat. Welcome to Mental Health Music Lessons. Today we're going to be talking about rhythm. So, if you've ever seen these little rhythms up there, those are 2/8 notes. Whenever you're listening to music, every song is made up of beats. Beats is how we count out rhythm. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Da 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 ba da da ba da da do do bo. Right? A beat is like a heartbeat, literally like your heart. It's a steady rhythm that's always consistent. With this, we can better understand what these little notes mean. In our favorite little song, Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star, we have beats in groups of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. When a song is made up of groups of 4, we say that that song is made of quarter note beats. Now this is where a little bit of math comes in. If you take each quarter note, 1, 2, 3, 4, and you divide it in half, then you get eighth notes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And finally, bringing it all together, eighth notes look like this. Individually, they look like that. Music beats are all about consistency, so we can use that consistency to help our mental health when we're feeling stressed or overwhelmed. For example, now we can do deep breathing in patterns of 4. So together, let's inhale for 4 beats and then exhale for 4 beats. 1, 2, 3, 4. Awesome. Now you not only know what this little guy means, but you also know how to apply that to help you out when you're feeling stressed or you're feeling sad. I hope this was helpful, and I hope you have a mentally healthy rest of your day.